Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to create CoinMarketCap account. To create an account on CoinMarketCap, first of all, open up the CoinMarketCap app on your device, or you can also head over to coinmarketcap.com on a web browser. After you are on the home page of CoinMarketCap, tap on the profile icon at the top right. Now, choose the sign up button at the top and then enter an email address and create a new password so that you can create an account. You also have an option to continue signing up with Google, Apple, or with a wallet. I'm going to choose the email and password option. Type in your email address that you have an access to in the email address tab and then create a password for your account. On the next field, after you are done entering a strong password, click on Create an Account. You will then receive an activation email sent to your email inbox. Open up your email inbox and then open up the email from CoinMarketCap where you need to click on Click here to verify account for easy access. Right after you do that, you have successfully created an account. You can now begin tracking cryptocurrencies, creating portfolios, and accessing market insights. If the video was helpful to you, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.